Good morning, everyone. Today I will be presenting a comprehensive overview of the Sustainable Rail Infrastructure Project in the United Kingdom under the guidance of Dr. William Jeffries. The project focuses on creating a detailed plan covering the entire life cycle of sustainable rail development from feasibility studies all the way to the financial commission and handover. The second slide, introduction. The project aims to deliver the fully sustainable rail system construction activities into a logistic visual workflow. The objective is to ensure that the overflow project lifecycle, including planning, implementation, up to their final handover, is structured into a visual, rational flow of activities with specific duration and dependency and resources. And another one is significant strategies, in which this is to be done, including feasibility assessment, detailed engineering design, procurement, civil construction, track installation, electrification, signaling, and commissioning were subdivided into the systematic activities, which means the project aims to deliver a fully sustainable rail system to construction every activities into logistical visual workflow. Each of these stages has been broken and detailed the tasks with assigned duration, dependencies, and resources. Another slide is life cycle analysis LCA, which include five key phases. Like the first phase is material sourcing and construction phase. Another one is operational phase. Another one is socio and economic impact. Another one is end of the life and the conclusion. And the first one, material sourcing. It means ensuring materials are low carbon and recycled. Another one is construction phase, which means minimizing emission and energy consumption. Third one is operational phase, which includes prioritizing electrification and the efficient signaling. Another one is the fourth one is socio and community impact, which include improving accessibility, reducing noise and pollution. And the fifth one is the end of the life, which include considering future demanding, recycle or repurpose of the asset. Another one is financial sustainability analysis, FSA, which includes some of the key points. The Sustainable Train Project plan in the UK has been set in a manner that will be ensure financial sustainable in the long term. Another one is the capital expenditure capex of the project to be constructed and the install is estimated around 416.7 million pound, with the many of the cost beginning with the low carbon material, recyclable material, sustainable infrastructure networks, electrification, signaling, and special labor. The project financing model is developed in a public-private partnership (PPP) model, comprised of a 50-50 split of the equity and which is also in the line with the UK practices in infrastructure financing. And another point is the project payback period is estimated around 2.4 years, which means the financial sustainability is equally crucial to the total estimated capital expenditure, which is around 416.7 million pound, which include the cost of the low carbon material, electrification, model signal, and the a, a public-private partnership (PPP) model is included in this plan. And most importantly, the project payback time is about 2.4 years. This is MS project. As you can see, the tasks which I have been given to the to ongo our project. The tasks include the project tasks were organized into detailed work packages. These include key construction activities, procurement, schedule, risk assessment, stakeholder coordination, and the sustainability checkpoint. Breaking tasks into components ensure that timeline, resources, dependencies remain clear through the project life cycle. As you can see, the duration of the project initiation is 12 days, as continuing with the planning, which is around 30 days, and design is around 35 days, and procurement is 35 days. And another Continuing with another slide. The another slide is about the Gantt chart. The Gantt chart is the visually represent the entire workflow, showing tasks, duration, start in points, and dependencies. It highlights the crucial path and identifies the areas where delays could impact overall the project schedule. This chart is essential for the maintaining alignment across the engineering, procurement, and construction terms. Continuing with another slide, which is resources. In resources, we conclude consultant, environmental specialist, engineering analysis, safety inspector, legal advisor, tunnel bridge specialist, data manager, maintaining staff work, and procurement work. Research planning include labor, material, equipment, and specialist construction. Given the sustainability focus and many resources involve renewable and low carbon alternative. Additionally, skilled labor is essential for the tasks involving electrification, signaling, and green construction method. Continuing with the conclusion. In conclusion, the sustainable rail infrastructure provide demonstrate how the UK can integrate environmental, social, and financial sustainability into a modern rail development. The project has strong stakeholder involvement from the UK government to the local communities and the emphasize long-term resilience in efficiency with the sustainable materials, advanced engineering, and responsible financing. The project stands as a strong model for the future infrastructure. Last not the least, references. The project drawn on peer review research and the international best practices in sustainability, infrastructure planning, lifecycle risk management, risk stakeholder engagement. These references ensure that each project design is supported to provide methodologies robust and academic provide. As this is my presentation visual presentation as the sustainable rail infrastructure project in the United Kingdom, which I have told you. Thank you.